Hey everyone, Nick with Rescue Essentials. Today's episode, our new Light Knife Tactical Multi-Holster. Let's get started. The Light Knife is a multi-use holster that can accommodate tactical lights, tactical knives, multi-tools, Raptor shears, and pistol magazines. It can be MOLLE mounted or belt worn. The Light Knife will hold tactical flashlights up to 6 inches in length. The unique side pocket will hold a spare USB rechargeable battery or 2 CR123 batteries. The Light Knife can also hold multi-tools, folding tactical knives, Leatherman Raptors, or pistol magazines. The holster is MOLLE mountable with the included 4-inch mod strap. There's also an integrated belt loop that will accommodate up to a 3-inch duty belt. The cover of the Light Knife holster can easily be adjusted to accommodate different size hardware. Simply release the hook and loop patch holding it into place, readjust the position on the holster, and resecure the hook and loop patch. You can also hold a 5.5-inch EMT shears in the slot behind the holster. For more information on the Light Knife Multi-Holster, check it out at rescue-essentials.com. Stay safe out there.